Oh, hi, my name is Evan, and I'll be showing you my Python summer project. So it has 1,198 lines. The project is about Google. You guys trying to make recreating Google, and I'll be briefly explaining how it works. So here we have imports. We have setting up the like text-to-speech thing, and we have our while loop. So it will do this to run through the whole entire code infinitely until you stop the project or you press the quit button or something. First, this part, it will be printing out the whole display screen. It will give you some options here for you to choose from, and you can just type in which one of these you want, and it'll run through this whole entire code. It's a bunch of if-else statements, and it'll see what you want to do. Now we'll be running the code. So which one do you want to choose here, Stan?
I feel like I want to choose text to speech.
Okay. Now we have text to speech. It's loading text to speech. What do you want to translate right here? Which text do you want to change into speech?
Evan is cool.
Oh, okay.
Evan is cool.
Now, we can just choose no, because we're not opening our files. Okay. So now what's the next one we want to do? And choose another one.
Games.
Game. Let's do snake, number, guessing, or Tetris. Which one do you want?
Snake.
Let's do the snake game. Yep. And we'll open our snake game. And here's the snake game. And you can eat these red dots to grow your snake, green snake. And if we hit the wall, then game over. It also has a score counter, and that's basically it of this snake game. Let's do one more thing. Which one do you want here?
Random number.
This is a random number generator. What's the low bound or low range of the numbers?
5.
5 is low. What's the top range or high range?
7.
7. Amount of random numbers.
What does that mean?
How many random numbers do you want to generate?
3.
3 random numbers. So there are your random numbers, 7, 5, and 5. Do you want to do one more?
Cool. Sure.
Do you want a calculator?
Yeah. We haven't tried the calculator yet.
Okay, so do you want a calculator where you press buttons, or do you want a calculator where you just type in the numbers?
Press buttons.
Okay, this better calculator. And as you can see, it opened a tiny calculator. Numbers.
Wow.
Number do you want?
Okay. 8. Parentheses. 9 minus 6. Close parentheses.
Okay.
That's it.
Once. And you can see you have to actually put another number in. You can't just put one thing because there's nothing to solve. Just putting 8 and parentheses 9 minus 6, there's nothing to solve in there. So You probably know what this is. It should be 20 because easy math.
How about we
And
do
it
then
is 20.
529 multiplied by 5.
No, 529 multiplied by 5 equals that. And let's use our Windows calculator to see. 529, right?
Times
Times
5.
As you can see, the calculator did get the answer correct. Okay,
That's a high quality calculator.
now we're putting the okay. So that is basically our whole Google project. And you can if you choose page, it can open any page because of some big brain coding. And
Can you show us the big brain coding?
okay, so this is the big brain coding part. So first you enter. So for example, let's go to if we want to go to Google, you don't type in Google. You actually type in the website name, which is Google, right? It's called Google. And then what's after Google? It's google.com. It can be google.org, maybe, or maybe it's just something that has none, which I don't think is like that. And then if it doesn't have one, then it'll just do https://www dot whatever your website name is. If it does have one of these stuff, it'll open a website, which whatever you want to call website, https://www dot, and then it'll add what the URL is, and it'll add the .com, .edu, whatever.
Can you show us?
I'm gonna run that part page.
Google.
Google is a .com stuff. So there, it actually opens Google.
Let's try a harder problem. How about we try, let's say like itch.io. Okay, does it have
It's
that?
itch, right?
Yes.
That and the .io. No idea what this website is.
That's cool.
As you can see, it can open any website because I actually haven't coded for it to open Google or itch.io. It just knows what you want to open. So it can open any website just with a few lines instead of 500 lines coding every single website. And that's basically it.
Very high quality.
Done.